If you've ever moved, you know what an adjustment it can be, especially for your kids.
Yeah, absolutely. But, you know, there is a way to help with that transition. So Dave Butz with, did I get it right? Butz?
It's Butz. That's okay.
Our Town America is your company. You're here to talk a little bit about some care packages, a box in particular. It's an idea that Our Town has had to kind of help kids with that transition, right?
That's right. May is National Mover Month, and it kicks off the busy season for moving, which is July, August, September. And Myrtle Beach is a booming market, so it's although it's exciting, it's also very stressful stressful for the kids. So
you were just telling me Our Town is kind of the welcoming committee. You're the folks who send out those things we get in the mail that say, hey, welcome to the neighborhood,
exactly.
that kind of a thing.
Exactly. It's kind of our parents' welcome package that helps them acclimate in the community and adjust. Gotcha. But for the kids, we've developed a welcome kit. It's called our Kids Comfort Kit, and they put it together, and basically it gives them ownership in the move. It makes it feel a little less stressful for the kids. So, you know, grab some stuff that they have around the house, let them put it together, let them design the box. And when they move into the new house, they have some stuff, and hopefully it'll be a little less traumatic for them.
We put together a list of some of your suggestions to put into the box. There's some photos, board games, maybe a favorite teddy bear, stuffed animal, a blanket, some action figures, some of those toys, and a few other things. We have a whole complete other list. The list goes on.
It goes on and on. But so you said have them build it themselves and decorate it.
You know, get a box, let them color it, let them decorate it, cut out some magazine pictures, print up some pictures. They can paste it on there. And then grab some stuff that they like, that they enjoy. If they're into soccer, football, or baseball, throw some stuff in there. Some board games, some frisbees, whatever. But let them do it, and by them doing it, they have ownership in it, and when they get to their new place, they'll feel a little more comfortable.
Is it sort of twofold, where, okay, they have ownership, but also moving is stressful, and so parents are trying to get everything put together, and then that way you can say, hey, why don't you check out what's in your box? Is it kind of like that, like, hey, you know, because kids need to be entertained too while you're doing all the big heavy lifting and everything. You don't want them to get hurt.
Yeah, it is exciting at the same time, but it's very traumatic for the children.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm getting into your box.
We're going to start looking in here,
I'm just interested to see.
Those are my kids' boxes.
Is that right? Okay.
They built them themselves?
Yeah, they put them together. Finley and my daughter Emily, they've got their DVDs, they've got their toys.
Cube. That's good stuff right there.
It's not overwhelming, but it's enough.
These are things that I can tell that just make them comfortable. They're familiar things.
Exactly.
Really neat. We also, you sent some ideas for parents as well to kind of help with this. Tell us a little bit about that. You want to sit down with your son or daughter to maybe do a little research on that new community?
Yeah, right, absolutely. You know, when they move into the new place, we're going to send out a welcome package to the parents, so the parents are going to help get acclimated in the community. And we have local businesses sponsor and put something together in our package. And, you know, take your kids out for pizza, let them have something from the community, you know, whatever, and they can enjoy it and feel a little more comfortable when they move.
So, and like Erica was saying, you want them to be hands-on in this process, right?
Exactly.
I mean, you can see, the examples here where they put the stickers on themselves and named it. Does that just gives them some more ownership in that?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. They got to do this. If you do it for them, it's not going to be the same. So let them do this.
What makes it so scary for them? I mean, how is it that this really helps them?
Well, there's usually new schools involved. There's new friends. It's a new house. There's new driving patterns. They don't know the area. So it's exciting, but very traumatic at the same time.
And they can have their own stuff. So you kind of give them that little piece.
Yeah, we just mentioned a story yesterday, if you guys remember, that, I mean, when kids move, like, it even affects their sometimes, so anything you can do is helpful. And parents can always look for this, and they can have a few coupons when it's time to treat the kids, right?
Coupons
they're gift certificates from local businesses.
Okay, I see. So it's a way to go out and
learn the area.
Yeah, make use of
exactly.
things in the new area. Well, Dave, thank you so much for being here. I think that's really cool. I hadn't thought of such a an undertaking like that to help with the transition, but I can see how it would help.
Okay, thanks for having me, guys.
Thanks, Dave. Let's check.